this is our Sangiovese, one of our most popular wines. This is our 2021, so it's a brand new release, and it is great for the harvest season and phenomenal for Thanksgiving, so we have been enjoying it quite a bit.
Okay, I brought a Thanksgiving wine too, but it's 10 years older
Oh,
than
fun!
yours. So this is a 2011 Tempranillo.
Great
Yeah.
product.
Anyway, let's see if it's still drinkable. Ooh, wow. You try it.
Okay, well, you can try this one. So this is 2021. This is 2011.
Mm-hmm. I love that wine. It's one of my favorites of yours.
So this one's not as bright, but the flavor is still there.
I think it's
The
a super
bright
spicy.
fruit becomes subdued as wine ages.
Yeah. Well, the idea that it's 10 years old and it's this far down.
Very smooth, yeah. It's very smooth.
Let's see what Carolyn says.
Oh, yeah.
Oh wow, smells like
Christmas.
yeah.
Yes.
That is Christmas. We're not there at Christmas yet.
But Thanksgiving and Christmas, all of these Tempranillos that I have, I think are the perfect Thanksgiving.
If you're
Even though
looking
you think
for a
you weren't
Christmas,
this-
if you're looking for a Christmas wine,
If you're looking for any holiday wine, you can still contact Pianetta
absolutely.
or
And
Symbiosis
Symbiosis.
and ask if they can do a porch tasting with you.
We should.